Coconut Grove is very special. We've developed some amazing projects in this neighborhood. This village has really become something over time, whether it was in the 80s and 90s when it was really a thriving tourism spot to today, which is a thriving residential spot.
It's very vibrant, artsy, yet it has a very residential vibe. We opened the hotel in Coconut Grove a little over a year ago.
And the hotel, since the opening, really became the center of the culinary activities in Coconut Grove. And at dinner or at lunch, it's very funny to see the neighborhood interacting. Everybody knows each other. It's a very festive environment.
When David Martin approached us with the idea of the residences, it made complete sense to us, and it felt just like a natural transition.
Our vision and our goal was really to bring the hotel experience to the residences so that the condo owners can enjoy the same quality of lifestyle, the same quality of food and the same service at their home 24/7.
It's about those brands that are authentic and unique and really provide a better life. And I think the Cipriani family has been doing that with every brand that they've developed.
One of the most inspiring parts of this project for us was working with David Martin and Ignacio Cipriani. Their vision combined with our design know-how made something very special here. And I think when you look at Mr. C Residences at Coconut Grove, you'll see that.
Being in front of this marina, it was logical to start thinking of a design that related to the ocean, to nautical themes and nautical forms. How could we somehow create a connection between the building forms and what you see in front of you and the logic of nautical architecture?
The design inspiration for Mr. C Residences was to blend the classic Mr. C mid-century Italian style with a beautiful, relaxed lifestyle of Coconut Grove.
I've known the Ciprianis for a long time, and I knew their place in Venice, and it's always been that brand, by coincidence, also had a relationship to water. I mean, after all, what is Venice? Is the canals, is the connection of buildings with water. Quite similar to Coconut Grove. So the nautical theme that we include in this design is consistent with the brand of the Cipriani family.
We're living in a time where our home is so important to everything, from sharing memories with our families to inviting friends over, and really where you live says a lot about you, but also where you live can really help you become and live a better life.
I now have been working with David on multiple projects, and one thing I can say about him and the whole Terra organization is the concern for quality, the concern for design, the concern for aesthetics and functionality, and the interest in delivering a product that they're proud of.
I think it's going to be a great project and a great partnership and a place where my family can really spend time and enjoy.